Did you know you can shop for everyday household items and actually save money? That's right. You can buy direct from the manufacturer by simply switching stores. Now, when you switch stores, you cut out the middleman and you shop directly from the manufacturer, so you don't pay for product distribution or advertising. What's even better is that these savings are passed on to you. Now, we deliver everyday products directly to your door, and you save valuable time. There's no more checkout lines. You save on gas and transportation costs. You're spending less and receiving more. Now, our products are guaranteed to be more economical than name brands, safer for your home and family, environmentally responsible. They're very effective and unique, and they're 100% satisfaction guarantee. Now, to find out more, simply fill in your details below. Don't wait. Do it now and find out how you can simply switch stores and save.